Hello, I'm Paul, support engineer for TIBCO Jaspersoft, and today I'm going to show you how to change the date picker in JasperReports Server 7.5. So this solution only works in JasperReports Server 7.5. This solution does not work in JasperReports Server 7.2 or any previous versions. I do have another video that shows you how to change the date picker in JasperReports Server 7.2, and I'll put that in the description as well. But this solution, again, only works in 7.5. By default, the date picker is set to Monday as the first day of the week. In this solution, I will show you how to set the date picker the first day of the week to Sunday. For this configuration, you'll need access to certain files here. You have to have access to the server itself in the configuration files. So in this example, we'll have to modify the calendar.properties file. That file can be located in the bundles folder, and I'll leave the full path here, and I'll show you here in the example here in a second. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is bring up my instance of JasperReports Server 7.5. I went ahead and logged in as super user. So in this demonstration, I've already made a test ad hoc view. I'm going to go ahead and sign in again real quick. Here's the ad hoc test. And just for this example, I went ahead and used the sample data that's included in JasperReports Server. And here we can right click on hire date, create filter. And if we look at it here, as you can see, the first day of the week is Monday. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the location for this configuration change. As I mentioned in my slides, this is going to be in the Jaspersoft folder, JasperReports Server 7.5.1, Apache Tomcat, Web Apps, Jasper Server Pro, Web INF, then the bundles folder. In the bundles folder, there is a calendar.properties file here. We're going to go ahead and open that up. I already have that open here. And if you scroll down, there's a value called cal_first day equals 1. That is what's setting it to Monday is that 1. We're going to go ahead and set that to 0. And then what we're going to do is we're going to save here. So once we make this change, we save that folder. We're going to go ahead and log out here. Hit OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to restart the server. So I'm going to do that on my end. And then also what we're going to do is we're going to clear the browser cache. So I'm going to refresh here and wait for it to come back up. But you also need to clear your browser cache. So that way it won't save that Sunday value. If you don't clear the cache, it'll still say Sunday. So you'll have to clear that out. So we'll give that a second to come back up. And here what we'll do is we'll go over what I just showed you. In the calendar.properties file, there is a value for the cal_first day. This is by default is 1. To change that first day of the date picker to Sunday, we need to change the value to 0. After these changes have been made, the configuration file will need to be saved, and we'll need to restart and clear the cache as we just did. So let's take a look and see if our server's back up. Okay, it looks like it's back up. Let's go ahead and log in. And what we'll do is we'll go back to that test ad hoc view I have. So we'll click on that. And again, what we'll do is we'll create a filter on this hire date, create filter, click on the picker, and as you can see, the first day of the week is now Sunday. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.